जी क्रिमिनल पैसेज है 955 वर्ड्स के साथ 105 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड होगी फॉर 9 मिनट। जी स्टार्ट करते हैं। स्टॉप वॉच दी गई है, आप टाइम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। जी स्टार्ट। मलिक सफ़ीर was stabbed to death full stop within the precincts of police headquarters. Incident was reported after midnight by his brother. He nominated a petitioner, since acquitted, as per complainant, a police constable, on the fateful night, he was sitting outside his home with his friend when Umar laid information about an ongoing brawl between the deceased and the accused, outside, he rushed to the scene to find the deceased being stabbed by Imran, the accused decamped from venue and the deceased, in injured condition, shifted to the hospital, however, succumbed to the injuries on way, A dispute over a cell phone handset is cited as a motive for the crime, Autopsy conducted at 1:30 p.m. revealed 3 cavity deep stab wound on both sides of the chest, with resultant cardiac failure without reference to duration, The accused, bearing the PO were arrested, a blood-stained dagger Churi was recovered upon disclosure of acquitted co-accused, Prosecution case is structured upon ocular account furnished by Malik, confronted by the petitioner with the following plea, within inverted comma, I am innocent, I have been falsely implicated in this case due to enmity, as on the day of incident deceased and PW Riyasat attack on our house and injured my mother, In this respect, uncle reported at PS. I produced Rose Namcha ML certificate of my mother as exhibit 2B, The report was against deceased Malik Safir, Police had issued a letter in favor of my mother to visit hospital for treatment, Accordingly, she went and examined, I produced police letter and hospital slip, As a counterblast, this FIR has been registered, The deceased was a criminal person, There were so many criminal cases were registered at PS. I produce FIR number 111 registered against deceased Malik Safir and others, he was criminal person and any other criminal person murdered him and the complainant falsely involved me in this case. I am innocent, Unimpressed by the plea, the learned trial judge returned a guilty verdict under clause B of section 302 read with section 34 of the Pakistan Penal Code 1860 and sentenced the accused to imprisonment for life. White judgment dated 1/1/2000, upheld by a learned judge in chamber, the petitioner wide impugned judgment dated being impugned through petition barred by delay of 353 days, condoned in the interest of justice, Learned counsel for the petitioner contends that the occurrence did not take place in the manner as alleged in the crime report lodged after considerable delay, despite the police station located close by that presence of the witnesses appears to be extremely improbable as given their number, they could have easily apprehend the petitioner on intervene to rescue the deceased, that receipt of injuries by petitioner's mother is established through official document witnesses, a circumstance suggestive of a different scenario that escaped notice by the courts below, discurrent Discrete statements by the witnesses have been referred to conclude that prosecution had not been able to drive home the charge beyond reasonable doubt. Full stop. The learned law officer has faithfully defended the impugned judgment. Full stop. Heard, record, perused. Full stop. A clear account, comma, prosecution manifesty, comma, has been furnished by the witnesses, comma, found by us out of tune with one another, has been silent about material details of the incident, comma, otherwise succinctly related by the complainant whom the witness statedly accompanied to the venue. Full stop. On the contrary, according to his statement, comma, in examination in chief, the witnesses appears to have arrived at the scene after the deceased had already fallen. Full stop. Umar is prosecution star witness, semicolon. According to him, Khalid, comma, co-accused, comma, held iron bars witnesses, whereas the petitioner carried a churi, a position that is not shared by the other witnesses. They are also discrepant on the manner and mode of their arrival at the crime scene, semicolon. According to Umar, they reached the scene on a motorbike, whereas a remainder of the witnesses are reticent as to how they covered the distance, semicolon. There is no unanimity amongst them on the passage they took the deceased to the hospital. First stop. These contradictions viewed in the retrospect of arrival of the witnesses exactly at a point of time when the petitioner started inflicted blows to the deceased with their inability to apprehend him without there being any weapon to keep them effectively at bay, cast shadows on the hypothesis of their presence during the fateful movements. Full stop. It was an odd hour of night without any source of light, as admitted by no other man Fazl Abbas himself. Full stop. Petitioner mother was medically examined under a police docket at 10:30 p.m. She was noted with an incised wound on the palmar aspect of her right hand, semicolon. Wound, though not extensive, nonetheless suggests a happening incompatible with the case set up in the crime report, comma, a possibility further strengthened by a report of even date incorporated in the daily diary at the same police station. Full stop. Despite defense's inaptitude to clearly put forth its case, comma, a different story is spelled out from prosecution own case. Full stop. Arguments that occurrence did not take place in the manner as alleged by the witnesses does not appear to be unrealistic. Full stop. Co-accused, comma, blamed to have clutched the deceased to facilitate the petitioner have since been acquitted on the same evidence without reproach. Full stop. Upon disclosure of a co-accused, comma, fails to inspire confidence so as to be received an independent corporation. Full stop. It is by now well settled that benefit of a single circumstance, comma, deducible from the record intriguing upon the integrity of a prosecution case, comma, is to be extended to the accused without reservation, semicolon. The case is fraught with many, full stop. It would be unsafe to maintain the conviction. Criminal petition is converted into appeal and allowed, full stop. The appellant is acquitted from the charge, semicolon. He shall be released forthwith, comma, if not required to be detained in any other case, full stop.